Want to fix YouTube restricted mode turned on by network administrator? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. First of all, launch open YouTube. Now here, you're not able to comment on any video because restricted mode is turned on. Head over to your profile, tap on the gear icon to open up settings, then go to general. Now here, if YouTube restricted mode is turned on by network administrator, you won't be able to change the settings from here. So instead, what you want to do is launch open your settings, then tap connections. Now tap more connection settings, tap private DNS. If this has been selected to private DNS provider hostname, select the option of automatic. Now tap save. Once that is done, head over to YouTube and from here, you easily will be able to turn on or turn off restricted mode. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.